Y'all want to talk about it? After 2 years, we've made the most incredible selection of colors for you. They're Choc Elites. And no, they don't only work with chocolate. They work with a lot of different products, but they are specifically made to make chocolate magical. What makes Choc Elites different? 3 things: potency, size, and cost. Potency is the most important thing. On top of that, we've increased the average size of the bottles compared to anything out there. Because of the size and the potency, it offers you the best value, bar none. And for those of you that want to know, do any of these Choc Elites work inside of buttercream, royal icing? The answer is yes. However, they aren't necessarily the best product for those. The ingredients that are inside of here are activated food colorings, whereas the Master Elites are not activated, meaning by volumetric measurement, the Master Elites are up to 5 times as strong. So, depending on the type of ingredient, you can use the Choc Elites or you can use the Master Elites for a more vibrant tone. We're offering an incredible selection of 12 colors, 10 standard colors, and 2 which are going to offer ability for you to be able to deepen and to offer highlights. We revolutionized the industry by bringing in Master Elites and Diamond Dust. Now, Choc Elites, they're next.